Back gearheads. Well, today we're going to be taking out replacing the side markers on my 1985 GMC Sierra. So there's two bolts, one here and one here. And then behind the side marker, you just twist the little tabs and it right come off. And the tools that I was using today is a little wrench and a T20 or a T15, whatever. I was using a T15 and a T10. Whatever fits the best. A T20 is too big. And here are the new side markers that we're going to be replacing. And I already got the new light bulbs. The new light bulbs will be $194, and you can get them at Advanced Auto Parts or anywhere. And when I tend to change light bulbs, I always like to use gloves, so let me go grab some gloves and put on the new light bulb. And then you just pop the bulb back in place. And then grab your light and then twist it on there. And move the screws back in. And there you go. There's the new light. We're going to repeat the same process to the other side. And here's the old, and that's the new. And then we do the same thing as the other side, pop in the light bulb and then put on the light. And the light bulb should just pop into place. You don't have to twist it or anything. And there you go. Okay guys, so this will be the video of the side markers for a 1985 GMC Sierra. And to do this one more time, before and after. Please like and subscribe. I hope everybody has a good weekend.